Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dissect the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we've got something truly illuminating for you, quite literally. We're diving into the world of headlights and shedding some light on the best LED headlight bulbs out there. Feast your eyes on the SEALIGHT H4 9003 HB2 light bulbs, folks. These bad boys are not your average headlights. They're the superheroes of illumination, the champions of clarity, and the guardians of safety on the road. Let's dive right into why these are the best headlight bulbs LED has to offer. First off, these bulbs are packing some serious brightness. Equipped with upgraded 24x CSP chips, they provide ultra-focus light that allows you to see farther down the road, giving you precious reaction time without blinding oncoming drivers.
Safety first, right? And speaking of safety, installation is a breeze with these SEALIGHT bulbs.
It's a plug-and-play affair, with a design that's almost one-to-one as the original.
No complicated setups or wiring diagrams, just a quick and easy upgrade that anyone can tackle in minutes. Now, let's talk about longevity. These bulbs are built to last.
With over 50,000 hours of lifespan, you could drive for 20 years straight, 6 hours every night, and these bulbs would still be shining bright. That's the kind of durability you can count on. But perhaps what sets these SEALIGHT bulbs apart is their compact fanless design. Say goodbye to fan failures and radio interference. These bulbs feature a smart cooling driver that ensures peak performance without any annoying noise. HB2 light bulbs? With unparalleled brightness, easy installation, and unbeatable durability, these bulbs are the ultimate choice for anyone looking to light up the road ahead. That wraps up our review of the best headlight bulbs LED has to offer. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Until next time, drive safe and stay illuminated.